Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Selvi from the English Language Education Study Program first semester. I will explain the material about the scope of reading for pleasure. What is the scope of reading for pleasure? The point of reading for pleasure is reading that we do of our own free will, anticipating the satisfaction we will get from the act of reading. According to Clark and Rumble 2006, page 6, the scope of reading for pleasure includes several practices, including reading alone, informal book discussion and recommendation, independent reading time in a social reading environment. The success of reading for pleasure depends on the teacher, knowledge of children, literature, and the reader. Reading for pleasure has many benefits, including develop language, imagination, and creativity, help to understand the world around, develop social emotional skills, increase empathy and social skills, improve health and well-being, stimulates imagination. Reading for pleasure is starting to feel like a lost art. Reading is something that every elementary school student is encouraged to do, but they often find other hobbies that are more interesting as they get older. Whether this is due to a lack of motivation at home or at school often depends on the individual case. Reading is an important tool for every child and adult because it keeps the imagination active and also help in more general learning. Deepening advanced cognitive abilities. Here are 5 simple tips to encourage an interest in reading for pleasure. 1. Set a reading challenge. A fun reading challenge that encourages healthy competition among students. Of course, you can create your own challenge for individual or groups, but try to follow a set of basic rules, including set a goal to read a minimum numbers of books in a certain time period, keep a public record of the books read by each student, encourage students to write short review, and reward students for achieving their goals. 2. Reading for pleasure starts at home. A love of reading often begins at home, and reading with parents can help ignite a passion for reading that lasts a lifetime. Communicate with parents to create a plan that will get the whole family reading together. Set a simple goal for spending time reading and discussing books at home. 3. Give students time to read every day. It is important to give your students time to read every day, even if you can only give them 15 minutes. 4. Create a reading wall. This is an activity that is not only fun but also help encourage an interest in reading among your students. Try not to just quote random quotes from books or variety posters. 5. Reading together in class. Reading alone together as a class helps students engage with the story and their personalities as they read their parts to the class. Physically, the most successful environments are those that entice children to read text and offer space to relax, explore, and read for pleasure. Most importantly, the activity is also interactive and include many book discussion, recommendation, and other forms of informal book promotion. The environment is influenced by the teacher, knowledge of children's text, and children as readers, as well as in complementary practice such as reading alone book discussion, and independent reading time. Reading for pleasure engages the imagination. Research shows that reading has a wide range of other benefits such as improving literacy, social skills, and health and learning outcomes. Reading for pleasure is also referred to as independent reading, leisure reading, or recreational reading. Why is reading for pleasure important? Research shows that the benefits of reading for pleasure are wide-ranging and long-lasting. Reading for pleasure 1. Improve academic achievement and provide a foundation for critical, digital, and informative literacy. 2. Build cognitive function and stamina while immersed in the flow of reading. 3. Develop empathy and knowledge about oneself, other worlds, culture, heritage, and ways of living and thinking. 4. Empower students to become active citizens. 5. Improve and build physical well-being and healthy behavior. 6. Most importantly, for young people, it can calm and provide an escape. Reading should be a fun, rewarding, and enjoyable experience, and study skills are important to get you through that experience, not the end goal. The ability to read competently and, more importantly, the enjoyment of reading has implications for student academic success. There is debate about the best way to improve literacy. However, evidence suggests that reading for pleasure improves learning. In 2021, OECD research reported that reading enjoyment is an important prerequisite for being an effective learner. They also note a strong relationship between reading motivation and skills in adults. International research strongly suggests that regular reading for pleasure can improve reading achievement. Reading for pleasure has a positive impact on reading and writing skills, text comprehension and grammar, breadth of vocabulary, positive reading attitudes, confidence as a reader, later enjoyment of reading. Reading enjoyment is also an important indicator of success in other areas of life. The report Enhancing Independence summary of case findings from the Competent Learners at 14 Project found that students who enjoy reading have 1. Higher scores and cognitive and social or attitudinal competencies. 2. Consistently exhibit higher scores and mathematical, reading, logical problems, solving, and attitudes. Higher average scores for school engagement, positive communication and relationship with family, and positive friendship. 4. Less risky behavior. Higher level of motivation toward school.